All right, so this is a suggestion via a channel member. Let's jump into it.
You record the. You.
Get out.
You.
Get out of the car.
On August 6, 2023, in Florida, police officers were called to a restaurant regarding
this is going to be spectacular. Florida?
an altercation involving a customer striking an employee.
I'm going to talk to her. I'll talk to her later.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
Customer struck an employee.
Office, so I come out. She's like, "Oh, I know who the hell you are. You got a whole bunch of Spanish working here." I said, "Come on, you get the Spanish." I said, "Be nice."
You know her?
No, she worked for me like a customer. She worked like in 2014. She's like, "I know you. You use Hispanics and all this." I said,
The old employee.
"It's time for you to go."
Hang up the phone.
He said that I can hang up.
Yeah, is that dispatch?
I don't, sir. I don't know.
It's Officer Wishart. All right. Here. You don't talk. I'm the police. They're just dispatch. What do you need?
Can I get that phone,
Yeah, go ahead.
please?
What do you need?
Can I get that phone, please?
What do you
Okay.
need?
Ma'am,
She's gone. Do not call 911 again.
ma'am,
Do
You'll
not
catch
call
another charge.
911.
ma'am.
You're going to catch a charge,
Do
guys.
not call 911 again.
Can you hear me?
Did you call 911?
I am recording you. Oh my God, I am recording you.
Yeah, that's misuse of 911.
I'm not even doing anything.
What do you mean by that? Exactly.
I'm not recording.
No, she's being uncooperative.
Why?
We're going to detain her based on what he said earlier.
We're investigating battery.
Sir, I'm not.
You're detained. You're not under arrest for the.
Am I under arrest? So can I go? Can I go? No.
Stop
Am
yelling.
I under arrest?
Are you going to listen to me?
Am I under arrest?
You're detained.
I'm detained for what reason?
Purpose of our investigation.
What investigation?
I'll tell you that in just a minute.
No. No, 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 no. Wait.
Do you got anything in your pockets that you need to know?
No.
Okay.
But you cannot detain me.
Yeah.
Sir, can you detain? No. Am I under investigation?
Yep.
For what?
Yes.
Battery.
Battery.
Battery of
Pay
what?
attention.
I have not done anything.
Okay. Sit down. Sit in the car. Up in the chair.
No, you said sit. No,
In
you
the
said
chair.
sit. No,
In the
no, no,
chair.
no. You said sit. Nope, you said sit.
You're gonna go to jail
Nope,
if you don't sit in the
That's
car.
fine. You said sit. You said sit. You said sit. You said sit right here.
Get your feet in.
Nope, you said sit right here.
Ma'am.
Nope, you said sit
Ma'am.
right
Well, I'm
here.
telling you something different
Sir.
now. Sit in the chair.
No,
That's
no,
something different now.
no. Under my
So you're refusing
no.
to cooperate?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now you
Yes.
can go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail.
Oh, you're going to jail.
Anything.
I mean, listen. By default, it's going to be misuse of 911 here, but yeah, you're going to jail. In fact, eternal. I pulled up the channel that you're talking about. I'll go ahead and check it out tomorrow, guys.
I haven't, sir. I have not done anything. You cannot take me to jail.
Yeah.
You cannot take me.
She's with a guy here.
Oh, you're going to jail.
The guy's real nice and calm.
So,
You can ask him.
okay, where did all this happen at?
Where? He's out. He's with her. You can ask him.
This all happened right here?
Yeah, that's with him. She's with
Whereabouts
him.
did it happen? Where?
Right there.
Where they're sitting?
Yeah.
Okay, and so what she said to you?
She just was. I was in the office.
Yep.
She was in here screaming. He comes and gets me.
Who comes to get you?
The guy in the red, and said, "This girl's just going off, screaming at everybody, going off on everybody." I come out of the office, and I said,
Drunk or
"Hey,
something?
what's going on? Anybody do anything to you?" And she like, "You, there's 1, 2, 3, 4."
Right.
She just started.
That'll
saying
list.
They got you.
Right.
Yes.
Or a worker.
Yeah, the assistant manager.
He came and got you.
Yeah, he came and got me, and then she just counting everybody. And you're a piece of shit. And then she's telling him, the guy that's there, he just calm. And she's just, I don't know what the discussion was, but he's with her, so he could tell you more what happened. He's with her literally.
You came out of the office because she was counting everybody, yelling,
Correct.
hooting and
And
hollering,
I
hooting
opened
and
the
hollering.
door. Yes.
Okay.
And I said, what's wrong with you? Come on, let's go talk. I opened the door here. Come on outside. And then she was coming, and then she turned around. No, I'm not going outside. I'm staying here. I said, we're closing. We're cleaning up. I said, no, y'all, you. And I go over there. Did somebody do anything to you?
So you walked in there to her where she was
Yeah,
sitting.
and she went back and sat down. And she got up and just whoosh.
Do you have any injuries?
No, no. But it was just the
act,
thing.
obviously,
She-
the act of defiance.
You want to trespass or press charges?
I was press charges.
Okay.
Could you talk to
Yes, I
the
will.
current?
Let me get your information first.
Yeah, that's not very smart because then she could potentially come back here. So your goal should have probably been to also trespass.
Can you get him for me?
Yeah, I don't know him, but I'll get him.
Yeah. Hey, man. So what happened?
I have no clue, dude.
You didn't see anything?
No, I remember seeing it and just started screaming at him.
Okay.
I mean, not at him necessarily.
Just everybody. And then what happened?
Well, like, I guess the server or whatever.
And then what happened?
Nothing. You know, he came out and then she screaming at him. I guess, I don't know if he knew before or something.
Gotcha. Did you see what happened when he approached her? Like, did anything get physical?
No, it just came up and talked. Like, I don't know, like, she was on the phone with you guys.
So you never saw...
She'd still be here.
You never saw anyone show anybody? Recorded it?
Well, there's camera, but she was here since 4:30 and time had been
She
there.
was here since 4:30 p.m.
Okay.
Okay.
And she's been drinking all. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's super drunk.
Oh, you paid.
Yeah, but I
Oh, you
mean,
with her?
Yeah, they've been
yeah.
talking.
everything
The bill
just.
paid?
Fine, they were happy. I don't know what happened.
And I bring the bill. Yeah. Just pure alcohol. And when I bring the beer,
I don't know what happened.
She
I was
just
in the office.
starts
He
screaming.
came and got me, so I guess he's a witness. Because he's like, there's a lady out here. She's snapping.
Like going crazy,
It's
right?
time to get the closing. And it was like,
Yeah,
no, but he's been a very gentleman.
Thank
He's
you.
very super gentleman. He's been gentleman. He never even got involved.
So what
In
happened?
contrary, he was telling her to calm down, calm down.
When the waiter, when the waiter bring the bill, she said like make no sense, but she was here since 4:30, and go just alcohol. They just ordered one food, and the whole night we were drinking and drinking, and we closing. So I told the waiter that nicely talk to her that we close, that no more, we can sell more alcohol. And she got upset about that
Oh, she hit her limit.
Is there anyone?
because she want more.
She was too
drinks,
drunk.
And we said like,
You're done.
we
Right, you have to. Yeah, it's done.
And then
You gotta
she
go.
started screaming all over the room, say all my waiters, all my employees that fuck they, that we are Spanish, blah blah blah. And then or I go grab my boss, and we got a situation, and she started yelling to him, and then she put like face to face to him and push him back.
How did she push him?
Like she like super close, get super close to him, then she like
Like with one hand?
no, like I didn't see right away because I was in the side, but I think it's only one hand.
Okay. Are you able to pull cameras for me?
That's
Real quick, if you can do it real quick, it'd be nice to see. If not, I will.
no. I'll give it to you.
Can I go inside?
Yep, thank you. Yeah, Appreciate thank it. you, man.
Problem is, the one that handles the one in there, she's not here during the day. I got where you can see. You just gotta go back.
Yeah. Are you good with it? Yeah. What do you have?
I don't understand the girl. I mean, she's just wigging out. Like, she was super fun. She was singing karaoke. Like, that's the problem with this one is take the Wi-Fi out.
And you do want to press charges on battery?
Yeah, I mean, if I let people do stuff
Yeah,
like
no,
that,
I-
you know what I mean? They're like,
Yeah, but that's why you also need
Yeah,
to trespass, though.
a night in jail, I think will help her out.
That's not a night.
Under arrest, sir?
This is not one night.
Sir, what am I under arrest? Oh, you don't want to talk. Okay. Sir, you want to
Hey, bro just ran a stop sign right on camera.
tell me what I'm under arrest for? No? Typical Sarasota deputy.
I'm not a deputy.
I'm going to ask you one last time.
You've already been told.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Sir, will you let me know what I'm under investigation for?
You're
We're
not
no
under
longer
investigation
under
anymore.
So what am I under this deputy car for, sir?
Well,
You're
first
under
of
the
all,
car.
This is not a deputy's car. This is a
What?
police car. This is a police
Oh
car.
my God,
What?
guys.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
It's
What?
this is a police car.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
what am I in this police car for, sir?
To go to jail.
What?
To go to
You're
jail.
going to jail.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
For what?
Resisting.
He's not paying attention.
When did I show resistance, sir?
And battery.
No. I want to know when I showed resistance or sir.
All right, I'm done talking.
I'm sorry?
I'm done talking.
No. You said that I resisted arrest.
Yep.
So I want to know in what point did I resist arrest? I want to know, sir.
I'm finished.
Sir.
I'm finished talking. Thank you.
No. Sir, I want to know when I resisted arrest. Because I'm being put in county jail for this shit. I want to know when I resisted arrest. Sir, when did I resist arrest? Sir, when did I resist arrest?
Temporary
Sir,
arrest.
when did I resist arrest?
It's not helping.
Sir,
It's not helping your case.
when did I resist arrest?
Okay.
Sir,
Sir.
when did I resist arrest?
Okay. Yes, we got it.
Stop kicking my door. Stop.
When did I resist arrest?
Stop.
No, you're gonna tell me when
She's kicking my window out.
resisted arrest. When did I resist? When did I resist? When
Nope.
did I resist?
Lyman for
When did I resist? When did I resist? When did I resist?
Things get bad for you now. It's worse.
Then stop kicking my door. Stop.
Take me, no.
I'm going to the jail if you
No,
stop.
no.
Okay, good.
Take me to a county right now.
That's where I'm going.
You're in the county.
All right.
You're in the.
Stop kicking the window.
Oh, this is just stupid now, bro. Like guys, we need to definitely be able to, like, I don't know, tranquilize people or something, bro. Sometimes. This is one of those instances. You do know, and if he pulls over again, they're just going to, like, take her out. And, well, she's gonna stop.
Turning on Ringling now.
He's gonna start driving, and she's gonna start again.
Stop.
Take me to county.
We're here. If you
You're
stop.
going there.
Yeah.
You're going there.
Me to county.
Wow.
Me to county. With these people.
We're in Sarasota. Is what it says? Okay. We got it. We understand. Hey, bro, go ahead and grab another person.
Record this shit.
It's recorded.
Record this shit.
It's recorded.
Get out.
You.
Bro dodged a bullet with this woman.
You see how he's handling me?
That's why he was so calm. He dodged a bullet, bro.
You. You with your self. You with your ass.
The woman was taken into
Got it.
custody and
Got it.
charged with
Okay.
battery and resisting arrest. If you were a member of the jury, would you find her guilty?
Yes. Like, there's not even much of a question here, guys. I mean, listen, this is why these body cameras are. I think when people were like, all cops need to have body cameras on, they were thinking like they were under the national narrative specifically of all cops are evil and they're trying to get you and all these other things here, without fully realizing that the body camera also, by default, it's going to be a third-party non-biased witness, meaning that it's going to record everything, good or bad, you know, slightly gray or shady, if that makes any sense here. But it's also going to record you most likely getting arrested at the worst state of your life in your time, right? And that's the reality here, right? So when the prosecutor specifically looks at this to see exactly how the arrest happened, if you think they're going to allow this person to walk with nothing, you're crazy, bro. Look at all that you did here. Every single aspect of what you did was inappropriate. You belong here. You belong in jail, right? You're absolutely unhinged. You probably need to get something like alcohol counseling or something like that, if this is kind of what happens every time you partake in this type of thing, because obviously this is an issue. This is a problem. Guys, do you want to watch movies with me? I never actually thought to like promote it over here, guys. But if you guys do want to watch it, guys, we have hundreds of movies, and I mean hundreds of movies that we've reacted to. You guys can come watch them with me if you want to, along with many TV shows. Currently, we're working on the show Dexter, along with Vikings, and we have a lot of series that are already completed. But if you guys do want to watch it with me, the link is in the description. Everything's available at the second tier. But of course, if that's not your thing, guys, don't worry. Right? Listen, like and subscribe.